It is a class with a live person teaching your kids how to code. You cannot pass up a free coding class. My daughter had so much fun, and so they use programs like Minecraft. Most kids are already familiar with Minecraft, so I think it makes that bridge to coding a little bit easier. So like I said, the teacher was amazing with getting my daughter signed up as well as access into Minecraft and Tinker. That whole process took less than 10 minutes. And then this screenshot is the video game my daughter made. So she actually made this video game with different coding and commands. You can make your character do things, set different rules, have a score. It was really awesome that they had all of this.
So my daughter got to try it out one of the classes. She's 8 and she absolutely loved it. Was so proud of what she created in the class, even in just an hour. Like, she was through the roof. The instructor was fabulous. Like, she was friendly, she was nice. I felt like the instructor did a really good job of continuing to work with her and move through, and like, it did not slow her down at all. So that was really nice. That at the end, she actually had a finished product. She was actually able to create a mini game in that hour-long class, which I think is really nice. Overall, would I recommend this coding program? Absolutely.
Yeah, they are so personalized. Because the class size is 4 students or less, that means that my son is getting so much individual attention and personalized feedback as he's learning how to code. So that meant that he was able to ask questions in real time and get instant feedback from his teacher about what he was doing. That they encourage kids to practice critical thinking skills. I could see as my son was working through his class the way that he was practicing problem solving and attention to detail and creative thinking. His teacher was asking open-ended questions throughout the class. I love that they use a project-based approach and that kids are learning coding by coding. I highly recommend Eureka Champs, and I love that they make coding so easy for homeschool families.
It was really an all-around awesome experience. If you're interested in signing your kids up for online coding classes with Eureka Champs, definitely sign them up for the free trial class first. That will give them an hour with the teacher to give the program a chance and see if it's going to be a good fit for them.